going to cover mangoes today. Mangifera Indica, or common mango. Mangoes are stone fruits produced from several species of tropical trees, cultivated mostly for edible fruit. It is a flowering plant in the genus Mangifera, which belongs to the cashew family Anacardiaceae. Mangoes are native to South Asia and India and were later cultivated worldwide in tropical areas. There are several hundred cultivars worldwide, and they vary by size, shape, sweetness, skin color, and flesh color. Mango is the national fruit of India, Haiti, and the Philippines. Mango is the national tree of Bangladesh and Pakistan as well. Mango trees may get as tall as 131 feet tall and are long-lived, as some still provide fruit after 300 years. In deep soil, the taproot may extend down to 20 feet, with many wide-spreading roots. When leaves are young, they are orange and pink and change soon after to a dark glossy burgundy, then dark green when mature. As you can see, it is a reddish green up here, and it was darker in some of the leaves back there and back there. So they are that purplish color. They get lighter and greener in color. So the flowers are produced in terminal panicles. They're small, white blooms with a sweet scent. There are over 500 varieties of mangoes. Most mangoes ripen during summer. However, there are some that give a double crop. The fruit takes 4 to 5 months from flowering to ripen. The ripe fruit may be yellow, orange, red, or green depending on the variety, and the pit could be a single flat oblong pit with a fibrous surface. Depending on the variety, mango fruits may be round, oval, or kidney-shaped and vary in size and flavor. The skin is waxy, leathery, smooth, fragrant, and in the pit is the seed, which does not survive freezing and drying. Mango trees grow readily from seeds, with germination success highest when seeds are obtained from mature fruits. Mangoes have been cultivated in South Asia for thousands of years, then to Southeast Asia, and later to East Africa and Morocco. It later was brought to Brazil, Bermuda, West Indies, and Mexico, where the climate allows its growth better. Mango prefers frost-free tropical and warm subtropical climates. Almost half of the world's mangoes are cultivated in India, followed by China. Though India produces the most mangoes, it accounts for less than 1% of international mango trade, because India consumes most of its own production. Mango is now available worldwide and produced in areas like Florida, California, Hawaii, the Caribbeans, Africa, Australia, among others. Many commercial cultivars are grafted onto cold-hardy rootstock of Gomera 1 mango cultivar from Cuba. A wide variety of diseases may occur with mango plants. In mango orchards, numerous varieties are grown together to increase pollination. Many desired cultivars are monoembryonic and must be propagated by grafting, or they will not be true to type. An example of this is Alfonso, a major export considered the king of mangoes. Cultivars that excel in one climate may not grow well someplace else, as some are exposed to fungal disease or other issues. Asian mangoes are resistant to anthracnose, a fungal disease in Florida. Currently, Tommy Atkins, a variety of mangoes, is popular worldwide as it is highly productive, disease resistant, long shelf life, transportability, size, and appealing color. However, other varieties are preferred for their taste by consumers rather than their productivity by the producers. Imported mangoes in the U.S. cost anywhere between $4.60 to $5.74 per 4 kilogram box in 2018, depending on the variety. Mangoes vary in taste and texture with varying cultivars. Alfonso is said to be soft, pulpy, juicy like an overripe plum, while Tommy Atkins is firmer like a cantaloupe with a fibrous texture. The skin of unripe pickled or cooked mango may be eaten, but potentially may cause contact dermatitis for the lips, gingiva, or tongue in sensitive people. Gingiva, which is the gums. Mango may be eaten raw as a juice or cooked as a chutney, pickled or in dals. It can be used as a jelly or in curries. Mangoes can be eaten after being dehydrated and spiced. We've heard of mango lassi drinks, and mangoes can be incorporated into ice cream and sorbets. It can be made into a chili sauce, or mango can be eaten with chamoy, a sweet and spicy chili paste. Sweet glutinous rice is flavored with coconut, then served with sliced mango as a Thai dessert. Fresh mango provides 44% of the daily value in vitamin C and 11% folate. Mango is high in phytochemicals, which gives mango its colors, flavors, and health benefits, depending on the variety. In other words, phytochemical and nutrient contents vary depending on the mango and the variety. Mangoes are high in beta-carotene, responsible for most mangoes' yellow-orange color. Mango leaves are high in polyphenols, xanthanoids, mangifera, and gallic acid. Some of these components are being studied for health benefits and other things medicinally. Contact with oils in mango leaves, stems, sap, and skin may cause dermatitis and anaphylaxis in those susceptible to it. Those sensitive to allergen urushiol found in poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac may be at risk for contact dermatitis or allergic to mangifera, unique to mangoes. Sensitized people may not be able to eat peeled mangoes or the juices of mangoes. When mango trees are flowering in spring, people with allergies may experience breathing difficulty, itchy eyes, facial swelling even before flower pollen becomes airborne. In this case, the irritant is likely to be vaporized essential oil from the flowers. During primary ripening season of mangoes, contact with mango plant parts, primarily sap, leaves, and fruit skin, is the most common cause of plant dermatitis in Hawaii. Fossilized leaves indicate mangoes originated in India before being introduced to Asia, possibly by a foraging, now extinct megafauna mammal. And it is said that the monoembryonic seeds are the ones that need to be grafted, and when you grow them, they may not taste exactly like the parent plant, and that the multi-embryonic ones are the ones that will grow true to type. So I've just been eating mangoes and just throwing the pits into the dirt, and they always come up really beautifully. Some of them die off, and I'm not sure why. This is my second batch. I grew some mangoes a couple years ago. I gave them to my parents and to some friends and stuff, and then I had a couple that I put into the ground, and I learned shortly after they died that they are very sensitive to being waterlogged, and apparently I was watering them too much. And as I saw them start to wilt, I assumed that they were dry and needed more watering, so I kept adding water to them, thinking tropical fruits need lots of water, and when in fact they don't like to have wet feet. They don't like to be root rotted. They can easily get that way. So this little tree is planted in shallow soil, so it drains pretty quickly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 mango trees here. Now the ones I gave my parents, they planted a couple and grafted some other mangoes onto it. They like the other varieties better, and I'm hoping that I can someday find the my something, which are the Thai variety, and try to grow those as well. But for now, from what I've tasted from these plants, and I don't know if they're mono or multi-embryonic, but some of them seem to grow more than one stalk. So in this case, there are 2 stalks, 2 stems right there. So that could be a multi-embryonic one, and that one's growing really well. But I just love mangoes, and I plan on growing a bunch. So, and I'll give them away, and I'll grow them in various places. But just start growing. I mean, it's better to have more than not enough. That's what I think. And in fact, I'm even growing more. So here's another mango pit I threw in here, and it's not going to pop up for a while, but it's fine by me. I've tried honey mango, and some people love it. I'm not too sure on how much I love it. I definitely like the big green varieties. They're less fibrous than the red ones. But I don't know what they're called. But sometimes they're so soft and smooth, it's almost like eating jello, mango jello. Hope you liked this video and learned a bunch about it. And please like, subscribe, and share if you love my videos and would like to see more. Please support me. Thank you. Have a great day.